Hello students and welcome to this video. This video consists of Maharashtra State Board's Science 2. In this we are going to cover up chapter wise weightage and the question paper pattern for Science 2. Myself Kavita Kobane is going to present the video for you all. This will help you out to do the study for the coming board exams which will be held in 2021. To get the success in the board exam, we should be doing this study with the proper planning, and for that the pattern of the paper and the weightage of the chapter should be known to us. It will help us a lot. Here we will first see the chapter's name and its weightage with option also. The compulsory one and with option how much marks question can be asked, it will be given to us. The first chapter is heredity and evolution. 3 marks questions will be compulsory for all of you, and with option 5 marks question can be asked. Out of that 3 is compulsory. So life process in living organism 4 marks compulsory, with option 6 marks. Life process in living organism part 2 5 marks and with option 7 marks. Environmental management 5 marks compulsory, 7 is with option. Towards green energy 4 is compulsory, 6 is with option. Animal classification 4 compulsory, 6 with option. Introduction to microbiology 4 compulsory, 6 with option. Cell biology and biotechnology 4 marks compulsory questions and 6 marks with option. Social health 4 marks compulsory, 6 with option. Disaster management 3 marks compulsory questions will be asked and 5 with the option. Like this 40 marks compulsory questions it is there, and with option total question paper is of 60 marks. Now out of this chapter you should know first which one is for biology and which one is for EVS. It is divided into two sections. So lesson number 1, 2 and 3 that comes in biology. Lesson number 4, 5 it comes in EVS. Then lesson number 6, 7, 8 it again comes in biology, and remaining 9 and 10 in EVS. In front of you the list, the blue dot shows the biology chapters and the red dot shows the EVS chapter. You can mark out in your textbook according to this. You are going to have two papers as like in the 9th standard. Paper 1 and paper 2, that is section 1 and section 2 for science. Both of 40 marks, both the activity sheets it is. Both Science 1 and Science 2 activity sheets will carry the same marks, that is 40, and the same timing, that is 2 hours for completing. There will be total 4 questions. Question number 1, A, that 5 questions, 1 marks each. So total 5 marks it is, and these questions will be totally based on from the textbook. 1B it is again 5 question, 1 marks, again it is of total 5 marks. So 1 question is of total 10 marks. Next question is question number 2A again. So in that 3 questions will be asked, 2 marks each it will be, and you have to attempt any 2. So total 4 marks will be there. Question number B will be there. In that 5 questions will be asked to you, 2 marks each it is. Out of 5 questions you have to attempt any 3. So very good choice is there for you. So total marks is of 6. Then question number 3 it is. Total 8 questions will be there, 3 marks each. So total 24. Out of that you have to attempt any 5 it is. So total marks 5 3s is 15. Again a great option for you. Then last question, that is question number 4. It consists of 2 questions, 5 marks each. Out of this you have to attempt any 1. So total marks is 5. From question number 2 onwards, opportunity starts for you because the options are there. As you go down, more and more options are there for you it is. So it is very easy for you to select your questions, whichever you know it very well, that only you have to write down properly and get the good score. Till now, we have known about the weightage of the chapters and what type of paper pattern will be given to us. Like this, we have understood. Now we have to just go through the instructions which is given on the question paper also. Here are some instructions on the question paper. The first one is all question must be attempted. You have to attempt everything. Second one, wherever necessary, scientifically correct diagrams and correct labeling should be drawn. Third instruction is start every main question on a new page. Though you have written one line also on that page, then also you have to leave it and you have to start it on the new page. Though in your school paper you must not be doing, but for the board it is compulsory. You have to start a new question on new page. Fourth instruction, number of numbers to the right indicate the marks. Here on the question paper, this you have to, the question numbers are there, that is giving the marks weightage of that question. Question number 5. For question number 1A, MCQ marks will be given only for the first attempt. This has been strictly followed from last year only. This is actually needed for the competitive exams. We must have saw that there are some options in that we have to attempt the one only, and if you have attempted wrong, the negative marking is there. So to make a practice of it, to make the people aware or the student aware of all these things, this step has been taken by the state board, and it is needed also. So for that you have to do a perfect study only. If you have a confusion, you can write down the answers with a pencil, and in the last you can just correct it, but you have to write it down with the ink pen. Pencil work will not be checked. With pencil, if you have written the right answer, then also it will be considered as a wrong, and the marks will not be given to you. Instruction number 6 is showing how to write down that MCQ's answer. Here only the number and the option name you have to, or the alphabet you have to write down. No need to write down the full sentence or word or any of the statement it is given to you. Only the number proper you have to write down. Now we will see the little bit in detail the question paper of science 2. Question number 1A, which carries 5 questions, 1 marks each. Only from the textbook these questions will be asked to you. So 5 marks compulsory, 5 with the option means like that. Question number 1B, 5 questions, 1 marks each. In that, no fill in the blanks will be asked to you. 5 marks compulsory, marks with option we have to see. Now we will see in detail question number 1, A and B together. 1A, multiple choice questions will be asked, that is totally from your textbook only. Question number 1B, 5 questions, 1 marks each. In that the subtypes can be asked like this. That is find odd man out. You have to do the critical thinking and you have to find out which one is the odd one. Second, correlate. That will be totally based on the scientific concept. Third, match the column or you have to make pairs. So the student you have to do think logically to reach the correct answer. Next, fourth one, true or false. They can either ask you to correct the statement also. So it depends. Fifth one, give the names or the molecular formula. For this, a diagram can be given. You have to write down the name of the diagram. Flow chart can be given with the blank. You have to fill the blank places in that flow chart. No fill in the blanks will be asked in question number 1B. Next is question number 2. In that 3 scientific reason questions will be asked to you. 2 marks each. You have to attempt any 2. One from biology, one from EVS. And the one, it can be from either EVS or biology can be asked to you. While writing the scientific answers, you have to use proper scientific words for writing them. Little bit here and there spelling mistake will be accepted over there, but the total meaning, whatever you want to convey, it should be clearly in that sentence so that the answer will be correct. Now we will see question number 2B. What type of questions can be asked in that? Here we have a great scope because with lot of options. Out of 5 we have to attempt 3. So choices are there. First one can be asked solve numerical problems. So that is based on your textbook. The values of or the numbers can be changed. In B, laws, define, principles can be asked. That you have to explain with a suitable example. Next is write short note. So whatever the concept you have understood, on the basis of that you have to write down the short note with the scientific words, or if the figure is given, from figure you have to write down a short note, or a picture of any of the process it is given, then you have to write down a short note on that. Chemical reaction in words, it can be given to you. You have to write down in equation form. Question can be asked to name the chemical reaction, or incomplete reaction can be given to you and you have to balance the reaction. So, or you can have to identify the chemical reaction, complete chemical reaction. Like this type of questions can be asked. Next is complete the flow chart. The flow chart with the blank places can be asked. You have to complete that and write down in your book, in your answer sheet. Next is give difference between. In that difference between, you have to minimum write 4 different points. These points should be totally independent, not depend on each other. Next is write properties, characteristics, uses, advantages, effects. All this you have to write down. Minimum 4 sentences is expected in this. Next is to give examples. So it is necessary to give 4 examples based on concept or a process or whatever is asked to you. You are free to give the examples from your day-to-day life, but these examples should be relevant to the questions asked in the question paper. It should have some scientific base, then only it will be accepted. It is related to that question. Like this, sub questions can be asked in question number 2b. Now next question number 3, in that also lot of options are there, choices are there. 8 questions will be given to you, that is of 3 marks each, and out of that you have to attempt any 5. That in that 4 from biology, 4 from EVS will be asked to you. Now we will see the types of question can be asked in question number 3. In question number 3, attempt any 5 out of 8. Again, a big choices. For question number A can be asked, give explanation using given statement. A statement can be given, you have to explain with the help of some example. You have to explain at least 4 minimum sentences, you have to do it. Then a situation can be given to you. On that situation, you have to suggest some remedies or the measures has to be taken. It should be scientific totally. Okay. Without that, if you will write some irrelevant, you will not get marks. Next is explanation of diagram. An unlabeled diagram can be given to you and it can be told to label it and explain it. Next, D, complete the chart or table. So again, it is incomplete table or chart can be provided to you. You have to complete it and you have to write down the information regarding that chart or a table. Next, the fifth one is explain with the help of example. A statement or a process can be given to you and you have to give a relevant example to it and explain it in detail, and that too by using the scientific terms in that and related to science only. Next type is solve numerical problems. That will be little bit the higher level. The difficulty level will be little bit higher as compared to the question number 2's solve numerical problems. Based on textbook only, the values can be changed. Next question is complete the diagram. Incomplete diagram can be given to you like a food chain or something, and you have to complete it and you have to explain it if it is asked in that. Next question is answer the questions based on figures. A figure can be given to you, any of the process, any of the system, okay, brain or something like that, and the questions can be asked to you. You have to answer the questions just by seeing the diagrams, the reflex action or something like that, it can be asked. Next is write answers with explanation. You have to explain it. A question can be even asked to you. Next question type is write laws, theories and explain. Suppose evolution, law of Darwin, that can be asked to you in this type of question. Next, last question K, that is complete the paragraph. Okay, paragraph will be given to you. 6 near about blank places will be there. In that you have to fill it with the appropriate words. It should suit the statements. If it is relevant, then also if it is not suitable the statement, the marks will be not given to you. Last question number 4 is of highest weightage. In that 2 questions will be asked. You have to attempt any one, that is of 5 marks. There are also types of question can be asked to you. The first type in that can be asked to you is draw a diagram, figure and give explanation. So you have to draw it appropriate diagram and you have to give the labeling. Proper labeling also carries the marks. On right hand side you have to do it. Diagram should be done with a pencil. Next question number 2 in this type can be asked you is you can be given an incorrect diagram and you have to correct it. After correction you have to explain it also. Like a glycolysis process, in that the process can be given in an incorrect sequence. You have to correct it and write the explanation of that glycolysis process. Just an example it is. Next type can be asked is classify with detailed explanation. Maybe some examples can be given to you. You have to classify them into different groups and you have to explain that different groups with proper statement and scientific terms including in that. Next type in this is read the paragraph and answer. A paragraph will be given to you, some information will be provided in that, and on the basis of reading that you have to write down the answers. In your previous knowledge also related to that, if you know any of the concept from that paragraph, that can also be asked as a question. So you have to recollect what the concept is explained in the paragraph, and on the basis of that you have to answer it with the scientific knowledge. Next type is complete the incomplete table chart, and you have to give the explanation. Here also the difficulty level will be little high. Here only two or three boxes or the blank places will not be there, or columns may be there, two three columns will be there, and they will be incomplete. You have to complete it and you have to give the explanation according to that. Next type in that is answer in detail. It can be a activity based question, or you have to prove any property or a law. This question, if it is asked, it is expected to draw the diagram. In that time, diagram is included. Suppose towards green energy chapter, from that the question can be asked. So little bit of diagram you have to draw in that. Next type included in this is make a concept diagram based on any component or a concept or a technology. So you have to draw a concept diagram, you have to explain it, and you have to write the details of all the technologies or the types or whatever the varieties or kinds it is there. So according to that you have to write down. That's all is in question number 4 for 5 marks it is. So like this the question paper pattern will be there for science 2, which I have explained you in detail. So now you got the idea how to do the study for this paper. Also you must have understood how to do the time management for doing the study and for writing the answers in the board exams. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you must have understood it very well. Stay home, stay safe, and enjoy your day.